If lots of bids appear or asks vanish, OFI goes positive. Buy imbalance. If lots of asks appear and bids vanish, OFI goes negative. Sell imbalance. Why OFI matters. Microstructure signal. OFI has predictive power for the next tick price move. Liquidity provision. Helps market makers estimate adverse selection risk. Alpha factor. Many HFT and intraday strategies use OFI or its variants, cumulative OFI, normalized OFI, or GOFI, with depth over 1 as inputs to models. In short, OFI is a tick level order book imbalance measure that tracks whether buying or selling pressure dominates. It's not per trade. It's derived from all limit orders, book changes, quotes added, canceled, executed. All right, what's going on here? Create a simple API? Nah, dog. My bad. I don't want you to create the API. You don't need to create the API. I already got the API created. I wanted to build a system where I could have one screen collecting the data, one screen converting that data into a nice CSV and putting it into an output path that I will go ahead and give you a path for at the top of the code. And I'll have those screens running. So that one's running every X minutes. Put that at the top of the code too. For now, it'll be 5 minutes. So every 5 minutes, it's going to be on a screen on my server that goes ahead and turns those weird files that we're making with the ultra-fast collector, turns those weird files into CSVs and puts them into the path that I specify. You don't have to go ahead and build the API at the end of the day, and those new updates there are similar to the ones before, so you can keep going. Just keep it simple. Just keep it simple. I know I said something about the API. That is my bad. Jimmy's here. Jimmy, what up, bro? Good to see you, dude. I was just asking about you earlier. I was just asking about you, dog. Good to have you back. Jimmy's back in the house, dude. Good morning, good evening. Good morning, good afternoon. Good night, maybe in Australia, right? Time in Australia. 11:04. Thank you, Rico. Thank you for drinking coffee at 11 p.m. Thank you for the space dot. We even got Trent here today. That's amazing. He says, have you checked out right-handed candles with rolling time frames? You have to completely change the technical indicators you use, but it's very intriguing. Extremely intriguing. Right-handed. Let's go ahead and look into it while we have this AI working for us. We can learn while she works. Can you go ahead and explain this comment here? Short and concise as always, thanks. Yeah, bro. Just been doing some housekeeping on my work. Usually do a Sunday reflection to get set up for the next week. Nice, dude. That is fire. That sounds like a really great Sunday, dude. Oh, man. I cleaned up a little bit today, too, but very, very little bit. Very, very little bit. So that's nice. You got a nice little Sunday routine. Yep. The comment is about right-handed or rolling candles, where instead of fixed bars like 1, 5, 15, etc., you could build a candle that slides forward tick by tick. Each new tick drops the oldest one and updates open, high, low, close volume over the past n seconds or minutes. So instead of discrete jumps at bar closes, you get a continuous stream of overlapping candles. Because the frame is always shifting, classic indicators, EMAS, RSI, and MACD, they behave differently. They smooth less and respond faster, but also become noisier. Okay. In short, rolling right-handed candles equals continuous moving windows of open, high, low, close volume, which forces you to rethink indicators since the data is no longer bar to bar. All right, let's read through this. Setup complete. Here's what you need. Periodic CSV converter, okay. Setup screens, not .sh. Nope, don't want ASHs. Don't want ASHs. I want to run them with .pies. Don't want to SH, bro. Don't know what it is. I'm a little scared of .shs. What are they? Matter of fact. Okay, so configuration top of periodic CSV converter. Okay, so 5 minutes input directory where data is saved. Okay, ultra fast data. CSV output where CSVs go. How much recent data to include. Okay, copy these. Process hours to process. Interesting, dude. I want all